Hey everybody, so today we are doing a voiceover, if you can't already tell, and we're also talking about some makeup for back to school. So I did a video of this last year, but I thought I would make an updated version with some of my new favorite products for just really easy, quick, simple, glowy makeup. So first off, we're going in with a primer, and this is the Milani Camellia Facial Oil. This will create such a nice level of hydration on your skin throughout the day. You don't have to wear foundation if you're going to use this product. It's just a really nice product. It sinks into the skin so quickly, which I really appreciate while putting makeup on top of it. And it will also just make my foundation blend over it really easily. I'm making sure to blend it on my under eyes as well, and even on my eyelids, to just make sure my concealer also has that hydrated layer underneath, and that will also be super easy to blend out. And so keep in mind that a lot of these products will cater towards dry skin because I have dry skin, but if you don't have dry skin, feel free to just eliminate some of these products or switch it out for some of your more favorite products. But anyway, moving on to some lip balm. I'm going in with the Dr. Pawpaw's Rich Mocha Balm. It kind of has a scary dark tint for a pale skinned girl at first, but whenever blended into the skin and using a sparing amount, it actually creates a really beautiful like nude tint, and it's quite hydrating as well. So this would be ideal for dark skin, but honestly it works if you have pale skin too. Just like you kind of have to work with it a little bit. Next, we're going in with foundation, and this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I have the fairest shade in this, no shame, whatever. I'm going to be applying this with my fingers, and I took 2 pumps of it. And if you're going to wear foundation to school, honestly, this is the one to wear. It is so hydrating and gives such a gorgeous glow to your skin while it still covers, but it doesn't look too makeup-y. I just really appreciate this foundation. So blending that in with my fingers and then taking a sponge to really press the product into my skin and make it look seamless. For concealer, I'm going in with the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer from Milani. I think I already said that. Anyway, this is a really blendable concealer. This is an old favorite, and I'm not using too much. Don't be afraid to use less concealer than what people do on Instagram and on YouTube usually. Just use a normal amount. Your product will last longer and your makeup will look so much less cakey, but you'll still get a decent amount of coverage. So just, take that into account and really think about that. So we're going in with powder next, and this is the Milani Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder, and I'm applying that with my brush on my nose, under eye, lids, a little bit on my forehead as well because I'm going to be applying bronzer there. Going in for brows, I already did them actually, if you can't already tell. I did them last night, and this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I did a whole video on this, and if you don't have that, I recommend the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. It's so nice. And I set my brows with this clear brow gel from Essence. And then going on into blush. This is the Pixi Blush Duo, and I think it's in the shade Rose Gold. I just focused on the blush side and took a natural bristled brush and I really took my time building that up, trying not to make it look too pigmented, but I really like the glow that you get from that blush. For bronzer and highlight, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I'm going in with that bronzer everywhere that I need for my face to be a little bit warmed up. This is a really good pale skin palette. It has 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight, and they're all so nice. Going in with highlight, I'm using this more foundation paddle brush, and I really like it for packing on the highlight. This is a really creamy highlight when applied this way, and then also taken with a setting spray over it. So I'm applying that on the high points of my face. I really like applying highlight over my eyebrows. I think it just gives such a nice touch. Orange juice break, and then let's go in with that setting spray that will really meld all the makeup together and bring that highlight to life. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. You do have to shake it before you use it, and it takes about 3 to 4 sprays to coat my face in this. And the mister is gorgeous. So going on with the eyeshadow, this is the Mary Kay cream shadow in metallic taupe. It is such a pretty shade, and I'm honestly just going to be applying this with my fingers. It is so easy to do. It took a little bit of precision because it's with your fingers, and so I really had to be a little bit careful. But honestly, if you mess up, it's totally fine because you can take a little blending brush and just buff it into the crease and make everything look so seamless. I would do that anyway, honestly. Just make sure you don't apply too thick of layers, otherwise it might crease. Going in with that highlight shade from the e.l.f. Total Face palette and just putting that on my inner corner as well as my brow bone. And then for eyeliner, just to put a little bit of definition on the lower lash line, this is the Mary Kay eyeliner in brown, curling my eyelashes now, making sure to really get that really pumped up eyelash. And then for lower lash mascara, you don't have to use a totally separate one, but this is the Smashbox X-Rated. For my upper lashes, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Still kind of developing my thoughts on this. I mean, I did a review on it on my August Best and Worst, and it's like, it's okay. It's getting better as it gets older though, I think. So just combing that out with my eyelash, with my toothbrush, that's a little hack. And then also because I got a little bit of mascara on my eyelid, I am taking a spoolie and just kind of wiping that away. For lips, I'm going in with this Revlon HD lip color in the shade Sand. It's such a pretty peachy nude, so perfect for every day. So that is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys found this helpful and you like the look. So let's go ahead and go into the outro. Alright everybody, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it so helpful. If you noticed, I didn't really do an intro to this video, and I've decided that intros are boring. And yeah, this is probably like one of the most professional video that I've ever done as far as like editing wise goes. Let me know how you like what you guys think of this editing style. Do you prefer like this more formal editing style? I know that it can be really helpful because I'll be I'm showing like the products in between cuts of me applying it. So like, do you guys prefer that, or do you guys prefer like a more laid back raw video? So, or like, do you want a mix of this on my channel? Please let me know. I hope the voiceover goes well for this. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. All of these products are drugstore and affordable. So, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!